why I ask you to copy this Najis RS01 and the unique ID because copy the first pod Najis RS0145, the number. No, the
I
complete pod
just
Najis RS0145, the first one.
yeah no this thing is on my
Notepad. Yeah, copy it.
yeah.
Go to the Visual Studio. Now say kubectl delete pod kubectl space delete space pod space pod name. Hit enter. See, you deleted this pod. So what is the job of Kubernetes? It will create a new pod.
Just
Why? Because your replica set is 10. Now give kubectl get pods again. It would have spin up the new pod.
this one I guess yeah.
The 19 seconds one. Correct?
Yep.
You find the culprit based on the time. Right?
Okay.
Now kubectl space delete pod space. No, wait. No. I said just a space.
Oh,
Now
pods is yeah, okay.
delete four pods. One give one pod name, then space, the other name, the space, like back to back, give four pods. Go to Notepad and copy one by one. Or if you are
Yes.
comfortable from here, that is fine.
Like that, right?
Yeah, space and give two more.
Yes.
Hit enter. Now give kubectl get pods.
Oops.
Third one, not this one. Kubectl get pods.
Yeah, still 10 running.
See, the timing got would have
And
changed 21 seconds ago.
yeah, the 10 milliseconds. These are the four ones that got created.
No.
These three.
You see the first two pods, 21 seconds, and the last but two, 21 seconds. See, all the four parts is having 21 seconds. Correct?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like this, if you delete, it will create automatically. Okay.
Mm.
Now,
But yeah,
if you want to delete all the parts, but the replica set will create all the parts again. So if you want to completely delete everything, then what you need to do? Kubectl delete -f. Uh, the name, whatever is
replica.
there, replica set.yml, replica replica set.yml. Hit enter.
Mm. Spelling wrong.
Yeah.
REPL.
No, rep.
Okay.
kubectl get rs. Kubectl get.
Yeah. Get pods.
Yeah. See that Najis rs 01 is gone. You got
Hmm.
all the pods will not recreate again because you have deleted the main itself. You have deleted the replica set itself. Now it won't recreate because the replica set is gone. You
Yep.
got it? What I want to say?
Yep.
Now, if you want to delete this Najis RS also, then what you need to do in your Kubernetes YAML file, remove that 01 under metadata name. Yeah, save it. Then kubectl delete -f replica set dot yml.
Okay, that's gone.
Kubectl get rs.
Okay,
Kubectl
just
get pods. See, you cannot create a replica set alone without a pod. Pod is mandatory. On top of pod only replica set. That's why we discussed first pod.yml. After
pod. Yeah.
pod.yml, we have discussed replica set.yml. Replica set means duplicate. How many pods you want? 10, 30, 50, 100, depending on your application. You got it?
Yep.
The below section, can you scroll down? Go to YAML file and scroll down slowly. From wherever you see the template section, this is a pod section. Okay, under the template
Okay.
here,
Okay.
till down, till bottom. Now go up little bit up, and the above section is talking about what is the replica set name and how many number of replicas you want. And we have tested by using deleting all those things. Okay.
Mm. And the hardware resources for these pods, they're all defined somewhere else, or it's managed by Kubernetes itself.
Managed by Kubernetes itself.
Managed. Okay.
Okay. So they are all
Okay.
like creating on the fly and getting deleted, and they're gonna manage all those things.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Any doubts
The
so
next.
far? Because I don't want
No, it's
don't want to do all in the same day. It's now the same thing. You have to open a deployment.yml, kubectl create -f and do it, and it will get created. You want to continue the lab?
yeah, yeah. No, this was very
Interesting.
informative. Like, yeah, because I've heard Kubernetes. Like, I saw videos, but never ever understood anything. Like, because they were talking like a lot
Yeah,
of
because I don't want to waste a time on theory. If I tell the lab to the student, when they do it on their
yeah,
own, then they'll understand. That's what my strategy is.
yeah, yeah. This like clearly understands. I mean, it figures out why Kubernetes is like such in high demand. Because of
Exactly. Now open the
these
deployment.yml file, I'll tell you. If we go with this speed, within 5 days, we can complete the course.
really
Yeah.
deployment.
Go to deployment.yml. Yeah. Now just tell me what is happening in this file. API version is something a versioning, and kind. Kind means what? You are creating this particular component called deployment. Okay. Now
Okay.
the name kubectl get deployment. This is a display name. Deployment Arun. Remove that Arun. Put Najis. Now see, on top of a pod, what do you have? Replica set. Correct.
Hmm.
On top of replica set, you're doing a deployment. See, deployment you cannot do on a single pod, because if that pod goes down, what will happen to your application? Application will be downtime. Correct. Application will be not available to the end user. Now that
Hmm.
should not be the case. I need to have a minimum 10 pods. Three pods on each node. I need a three nodes. Each node having a three pods, and one node will be having an extra pod, like that. Now replica set is a 6 here. Can you make it 10? Yeah. Now the revision history, okay, make it 9 there. I'll tell you why. See, the revision history limit is 3. What do you mean by revision history limit? For example, if I am
Hmm.
deploying a application version called n plus 1. Okay.
Hmm.
What is the previous version? N. What is the previous to that? N minus 1. What is the previous to that? N minus 2. Which means you are telling to the deployment file, manage previous three older versions. Revision history limit. If someone want to go back, manage the previous versions. You got it?
Manage means like manage what?
Manage the same application deployment previous versions. For example, you're deploying a n plus 1 version today. You need to continue by managing n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3.
Okay, you need to, okay, just a reference for them. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Come down a little bit. Now, what is the selector here? What is happening? This rolling update. Okay. Can you see the strategy called rolling update?
Yep.
Rolling update means, for example, I have a 10 pods. Okay.
Hmm.
Max unavailable 0 and max search 2. So what will happen? The deployment should not happen on all the 10 pods at a time. Deployment will happen on the first two pods. First two pods will go down, deployment will happen, the first two pods will come up. Then third and fourth, then 5 and 6, then 7 and 8, then 9 and 10. That's how it do the deployment. Rolling update means it will not bring down all the pods together at a time. Why? Because there will be a downtime for that. Rolling
Oh, yeah.
update means your pods are available to serve the old application, new application, both.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now, there is another version I have disabled it called recreate. Why I have disabled recreate? Because if I go for option of recreate, then I have to disable the rolling update. I cannot keep both. The meaning of recreate option is all the 10 parts will go down and the deployment will happen. After the deployment, the application will be up. You got it? What is the difference between
Mm,
update and recreate? If I have a 10 parts,
yeah.
recreate strategy means all the 10 parts will go down
At once and just sequentially. Okay.
at a time. When all the parts go down at a time, who will serve the application? Application will not respond
Mm-hmm.
online.
Yep.
So there is an impact and effect for the end user. So that's why in real time, no one use recreate.
Okay. Rolling update. Okay.
Yeah, rolling update. Why? You are not bringing down all the parts together at a time.
So
Correct.
bringing up two at a time.
Two. If you want two, you can keep two, or if you want to go with a 50%, then you can keep five. It's up to you how much you want to bring down. But don't bring down all together at a time. Make it
Hmm.
20%. That's a good strategy. Okay. Now,
Okay.
whatever, wherever you see the template section, this is a section of a pod. Come down.
Okay. Yeah. So that's Nginx, container Nginx, latex port. Okay. Same as the
Yeah.
replica
Yeah.
sets.
Yeah. Come down, little bit more down. Now, this is a service. You created your deployment, but the deployment should be accessible in the browser, right? So that called as a service. Service, come down. Service Akbar 111. Don't change this. Come down. Node port. Okay. Your parts will be available in where? In the node. So node port.
And
Type Nginx.
what's the node?
For example, if there is a cluster,
Yeah.
you will have a in the cluster, you'll have a multiple nodes. You cannot have a parts directly in the cluster. Correct? In the cluster, under the cluster, you will have a nodes. Under nodes, you have a pods. You got it?
Okay.
I'll explain you the diagram later.
Okay.
You got my point? So now here is a node port 32429.
Okay.
Now the target port is 80 and the port is 80. Just verify everywhere Nginx is there or not.
App Nginx is there
Go up.
and Nginx status. Yeah.
Go up. Okay. Perfect. Now give kubectl create -f kubectl
Deployment.
-f. Yeah. Yeah, hit enter. Yeah, deployment got created. Okay. kubectl get deployment. Hit enter.
P-
The deployment got created.
Okay, yeah.
kubectl get rs. Fantastic. kubectl get pods. Because when you do deployment, below the deployment you have replica set, below the replica set you have a pods. Correct.
Mm.
Everything will get created. kubectl get.
Okay.
Now you see how many pods got created? 6 pod got created. Correct.
Yeah.
6 is the limit you have given, right?
We've given 9, right?
I think you didn't save that. Did you
9 we
save
didn't
that?
save. Okay.
When you give 9, did you save that?
I think so. No. Yeah, I saved it now.
Okay.
Maybe you can delete and create it again.
No need, no need. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Same
Okay.
thing. Yeah.
You understand a concept here, right? Understanding concept here is important. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have a 6 pod. Revision history limit is 3. Uh, Now you have a replica set pods. You have a deployment. Okay. All together is at a time. Okay. Can you go to the file and scroll down a little bit down? 1 minute. One max search is 2, right? Now you have selected a strategy called rolling update, which means when you do some changes in your file, 2 pods will go down, and once a deployment is done, again 2 pods will go down, again 2 pods will go down. Means out of 6, two pods will go down. Let's see that strategy. Come that slowly, little bit down. Come slowly, little bit down. Little bit more. Wait. Here, image, change the nginx to httpd. Remove that nginx. No, not name. Image. Means you're doing a new deployment here. Just understand. Imagine in real time world, you are doing a deployment here. Okay. Just save the file
Yep.
and come down a little bit more. I doubt will it accept the same port or we have to change the port. Let's see. Now run the command kubectl apply, because you have done the changes, right? We are not using create now. Apply space -f. What is the file name?
Okay, had an error.
Yeah. Just looking that. Hmm. Copy this and go to Copilot. I think we need to change the port and we need to change the name, everything. Please help me to resolve the. Can you increase the font a little bit? Yeah. Don't worry, those warnings look scary, but they are not actually breaking your deployment. They are just Kubernetes being a bit perfectionist. What's happening? Kubernetes uses annihilation. Okay. The warning. Okay. How to fix and clean. Can you come down? How to fix, and you have 2 minutes away to resolve. Option one, do nothing. Approach the safest as the warning. This is missing annihilation. kubectl apply -f command. Right now warning should be gone. If you run the exact same, can you show me the command what you have run it? Exactly same, right? kubectl apply -f.
kubectl, yeah. kubectl apply f deployment environment.
Okay, these are all warnings. Okay, we can ignore
Hmm.
it. kubectl get pods. PODS. See, image pull back of two pods are working. You're getting my point?
Yeah, yeah. So
So
while
when
we're speaking,
when two
two
parts
got
go
run.
down, Kubernetes will create a new two parts and work on the new parts,
Ah, yeah, okay.
which means
Image pullback of means
deployment,
they're still being
deployment
created,
is
right?
happening on two parts. But rest of the parts is available to serve your real-time application.
No, I didn't get it. Means are the pods already been created or they're still getting created?
They already got created.
Okay,
You
and
have to
it
wait.
says that
Give kubectl get parts again. I'll show you. See, the timing would have got changed. What is the latest timing? 3 minutes 14 seconds. What is the oldest timing? 6 minutes 51 seconds. Based on the time age, you have to consider.
maybe I'll try again.
No, no, taking time. That's okay. See, it's
Or it
showing it.
takes time.
That's okay.
So in deployment, basically you're creating your nodes and um
No, you're creating
get,
pod, you're creating replica set, you're creating deployment. That's all.
oh the previous steps in one file. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Each file, see, when you create a pod will is not separate. When you create a replica set, pod will become subset of it. When you do deploy,
Hmm.
replica set will become subset of it. They are all
Oh yeah.
interrelated with each other. You cannot do it separately.
Okay, that was just for demonstration purpose. Okay, got it.
Yes, yes, yes. Just wait.
Okay.
Give some time. It's showing a image pull error. Just give a kubectl get parts again. Hmm. Yeah, it will get created. Okay. Just wait for a couple of minutes.
Okay. So, mm, so what happened to that on call that you just got now? What was the issue there?
No, no, they are all warnings. So we can ignore warnings. Can you go a little bit up? That is not error. We need to worry if there is any error. Can you go up?
Yeah, no. While this was creating, I was just asking about your issue that you got called over before the call from your service desk.
Oh, the okay, fine. They have done a deployment and they are not able to verify it.
Okay.
So we just need to ask them to follow the prerequisite, remove the cache and give it a try. When the cache is there, what will happen? It's loading the previous one only.
Oh yeah, okay, okay.
Even though
Simple things.
everything is done successfully, if
So after deployment, it was checked.
yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay. Cool.
So for
Very
every
different. Very
simple thing, they should not get panic.
different. Six minutes, 10 seconds.
Give the kubectl get pods again. No, not pods. Kubectl get pods.
Yes, these two have having
Yeah,
um
they are having issues.
yeah, pods.
Just copy them and give it to Copilot. Why this is the output when I'm giving copy from the command kubectl get pods. When you updated your deployment.yaml file, Kubernetes started a rolling update. It created a new replica set with your updated setting. It tried to start a few pods in a new version because those new pods are hitting error image, likely a typo in the image name, missing a tag in a new YAML file. Kubernetes paused the rollout. Kubernetes designed the way it won't kill all your old pod working pods in the new pod. Okay, go to the YAML file. Go a little bit up. Go up. Copy this YAML file and give it to Copilot and ask, please suggest the changes. Control E and Control C, Control V.
Oh, it's looking for local.
Wait. Go up, go up. If you actually want Apache HTTPD, ensure environment has internet access. If you are working in a restricted, you might need to use locally available image. Check your proxy settings. So why two pods are stuck? The rolling update. Come down slowly. Max search 2. Max unavailable 0. What is happening right now? Come down. Wait. Kubernetes is a update and try to create a new pods. Those two pod fail. because max unavailable is 0. Kubernetes refuses to take down the existing running pods because new ones are not ready to take over the traffic. Result, you stuck with 7 old running and 2 pods failing. Okay, come down. The cleaned YAML file. Here is the correct version. Okay, what it is showing? Come down. Wait. Deployment Najesh, replica set 9. Okay. Revision history limit is giving 3. Okay. Come down. Okay, changed from HTTPD to Nginx. Okay, come down. Come down. Okay, go back to the deployment file. The one whatever we change, remove that changes. Image name, remove that HTTPD and put it back to Nginx. No, not there, not there. Here. Yeah. Save it.
Yeah.
Run it again. kubectl. Create -f. Deployment.yml.
Do we need to change anything here?
Don't hit enter, just type deployment.yml and I'll tell you what you need to do. Go to the file, go to the top, deployment nonsense hyphen 01. Come down little bit slowly. Save it.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Can you run it again?
Change the port.
Okay, 32429 is there, right? Make that 28. Save it, run it again. Okay, go up.
Name. Service name.
Remove my name Akbar and put your name. Yeah, save it and run it again.
Going in. Make it 2 now.
Now you need to change the port again.
Okay, this is strict. 7.
Wait. Don't run it.
Oops. Yeah.
Okay. Do one thing. 32420. Don't save it and don't run it. Wait. Go up. Go up. Service Najis 01.
Dash 01.
Go up and change the name of the deployment also. 03. Now save it and run it. Now deployment, service, port, everything is new. Yeah, finally. kubectl get deployment.
Full word, right? Deployment.
Yeah, deployment, full name. These are all the
You're
deployments
giving it
that you
3.
got created. The last one is the latest one.
Yeah.
03. Now kubectl get pods. Oh my god, so many pods would have been created.
We just need to look at 03, right?
03, yeah.
This one's
If 03 is up and running fine, then we are good.
03 from here to here. Yeah, 3 they are running okay.
Then we are good, okay? So we'll see tomorrow the config map secrets. Open the Kubernetes files.
Yeah, just before that, what was the logic that this guy found out? Or it was just changing this
No,
from
earlier we had a Nginx only. I only tried to do some changes and try to show you some lab from Nginx to HTTPD, because Nginx is a web server, HTTPD is also a web server. You got it?
HTTPD for Apache, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So initially in our YAML file it was Nginx only.
okay,
So when we doing the lab, I try to change the image name. I want to show you when the deployment happen, the max search based on two pods will go down. That's what the expectation is.
okay. But it didn't go to Nginx because what it required internet access.
Yeah,
No, sorry, HTTPD.
I tried to change from Nginx to HTML. Okay. But it got stuck at last two pods. It was throwing an error. So it is
Mm,
asking us to go back to Nginx.
okay.
That's all. See, the simple way is, if you have a YAML file, take a YAML file, give it to Copilot. Please help me what this YAML file is doing. It will give you solution. Copy that YAML
Mm,
file. You know the commands kubectl create -f, execute it. If you're getting error, put it here. This is how you need to explore and troubleshoot. That's all.
mm.
You are the
And
you are the king of Kubernetes now. That's it.
uh,
There is a simple
and
command: kubectl create -f,
yeah,
kubectl delete. And if you want to delete the component, not the file, kubectl delete pod name. And ask the
okay,
command Gemini, please help me how to check the log of a pod. Ask a question. kubectl how to check the pods of a how to check the logs of a specific pod. Give you command kubectl logs pod name. This is how you check the logs. Okay.
yeah.
And this is how you should troubleshoot. See, in your case, kubectl logs pod name is this.
Would it come up in the browser what we just deployed? Or no? Should, right?
Sorry, what was your question?
No, this deployment that we did, should we just check it on the browser before just before logging off for today?
Yeah. What is the port number we have given the last one? Come down service. Which one? The 32420, right? Give localhost colon. Yeah. Hit enter. Hmm.
Is it single or double?
No, single colon.